welcome. Here's your writing lesson for today. We're picking up where we left off before we had to quarantine for a week. And we're basically today we're going to be working on revising our drafts. So our drafts, what drafts, Miss Yusuf? Remember the personal essays that we were writing about ourselves, the personal narratives that we're writing about basically why we're special or what makes us unique. Remember that? All right, so I'm going to give you some examples on how you could better revise your writing or to make it more clear or make more sense. A lot of times you guys write everything that's in your head, but when other people read it, they don't really read it the same way you wrote it. How many of you guys feel that way sometimes? Very good. Yes, everybody, really, even me. That's why before I send anything to anybody or before I publish anything, I always ask someone else to read it. Because to me, it sounds perfect because I've read it so many times. But to other people, they may be like, what are you trying to say? I don't get it, right? That doesn't mean you're not smart. It doesn't mean you're weak. It doesn't mean anything bad. Instead, it's actually better. It's just you're just checking your work. You're just making sure it's right. You're just seeing if somebody can add more. But I'm going to show you how to do this yourself. So what you're going to do today is you're going to take out your drafts that we worked on last time. And you're going to reread it and see if you can rearrange your wording to make more sense. So let me give you an example. So here's an example where it says original wording. You don't have to write this down. I just want you to follow along. It says, once I tried to dribble the ball while I was running, I fell down. Instead of putting a period between running and I fell down, what if we add a transition word such as but? So what if we say, but I fell down? Once I tried dribbling the ball while I was running, but I fell down. Wouldn't that make more sense than putting a whole bunch of periods in there? Yeah, don't make it so choppy. Here's another one. Oops. I know, man, I type fast. No, I'm just kidding. All right, let's look at another one. It is okay that I am not It is okay that I am not good at basketball. I found something I am good at. Okay. What can we add? We can add however. Who can raise their hand and tell me how or where we can add however? Where can we add however to make that make more sense?
Oh, where says it?
It is okay that I am not good at basketball. However, I found something I am good at. So instead of putting a period there, we can comma, however, comma goes after however, I found something I am good at. Does that make more sense? Okay. Or actually, not a comma, semicolon. So it is okay that I am not good at basketball. However, I found something I am good at. And what's something that she said she is good at? This is the example. I'm good at gymnastics. I have good balance. And I can reach the high bar without any help. Instead of and, what can I add there to make it make more sense? How about as a result? I am good at gymnastics. I have good balance. As a result, I can reach the high bar without any help. These are transition words that will help your writing become less choppy. So, however, therefore, and then, or like first, then, after that. All of these help us understand the story better, right? It makes it less choppy. All right, so what you're going to do now is I want you to reread your drafts. If you want to add something, you can add. Miss Yusuf, what if I want to add in the middle of my story and I don't want to erase all that? That's crazy. I'm not going to erase all that. Of course not. Don't erase everything you wrote. That's horrible. Instead, draw a little arrow to where you want to add whatever you want to say. And then find an empty space on your paper on the other side of the arrow and write whatever you want to add there. This is called a draft. It's okay if it doesn't look perfect or if it's sloppy. That's why it's a draft. This is not what you're going to turn into me. As long as you can read it and you understand it, that's all that matters. It's your draft. Do you understand? Okay, go ahead and revise your draft. All right. If you guys have any questions online, let me know, and I'll see you later. Bye.